when I was child, like 5 years, when I was in the mosque, some guys fucked me. From that, I have a trauma. I can't speak like 3 months, but I speak with my sister, who I can't believe we talk about. But it's fine. I don't want to say it anymore. After that, I think, hey, do you wanna be a star? Like in the telenovela? I like singing. I like Mariah Carey. Jennifer Lopez. It's make my emotion like, hey, can you do that? Of course I can do that. And then I never stop my dream. I don't care what people about me think, even my family. I forget about that. I keep going. The first ever I come to Germany and then married with my husband. And even still sad because what? You cannot choose with who you married because I need relationship. I'm thirsty with love because my family not love me who I am. And then you know what? God give me one person. He loved me so much, but you know what? He's sick. I keep sick. And then I must stay with him like 8 years, take care of him. But he can talk with me, but we cannot make nothing. Like I feel like I'm a baby sister for him, because he's sick. But I go to German school, language, makeup, anything I do. When I'm just arrived in Germany, I said, kannst du bitte, ich musste lernen einfach. I want to learn how to speak German. Even my German is very bad. And then he said, okay, you go, because in Germany they have law, you must go. Before I'm married, you can imagine, 3 months, decide, you must go to the school, German school. I can't speak English. What about I can speak German? Fuck, it's very hard for me. I just can't speak Indonesian. But I keep going. Hey, you wanna be beautiful? You wanna be model? You wanna be actress? Keep going. Don't care. Please, keep going. And then I try myself go before married. Long story. Before married, you must go to the school. 3 months, intensive course, Germany. And you must have 60 points. Can you imagine? I can't speak English. What about fucking German? I can. And 3 months I learn German till my hair falling down, you know, because I stress. Oh my God, if I don't have a good point, I can marry with him. And 3 years I chatting with him, till I'm sleep sometime because I don't have fucking laptop. I pay like $1, $2, and then sometime, hey, wake up. Oh, sorry.